Northlands Primary is proud of its many traditions.
But the one I find most exciting is our tradition of excellence. If you want to change the world, if you're at Northlands Primary,
you can do that.
If you want to build the Iron Man suit at Northlands Primary,
you can do that. If you want to be in Bermuda,
Egypt, Africa, all at the same time, if you're at Northlands Primary,
you can do that. If you want to beat COVID-19,
if you're at Northlands Primary,
you can do that.
Good evening, parents, and thank you for considering Northlands Primary School for your child. My name is Linda Holdep, and I am the acting principal at Northlands Primary School. I am confident that we have exactly what it is you're looking for in an academic experience for your child. In our classrooms, you will find challenging curriculum, qualified teachers, and innovative experiences. At Northlands, our students grow and develop in a safe and effective learning environment. This is a result of our deep commitment from our staff, parents, and community. I do understand that the choice of a school for your child comes as a result of research and lots of thinking. I want to introduce you to the Northlands Primary School staff.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Tucker. I'm one of the P1 teachers at Northlands. We have an excellent team here. Come and be a part of our family.
My name is Ms. Tuzo. I currently teach P1, and welcome to the magic of Northlands. When you sign on to Northlands, you're not just signing on as a parent, but you're signing into a family that cares and ensures excellence for each child.
What sound does it make? Or what sound does alarm make? Or.
Good day, my name is Ms. Tracy Rayner Case, and I teach Primary 2. I am also the science teacher leader for the entire school. At Northlands, we are considered a family. We not only concentrate on child's academic abilities, but we also cultivate and encourage the sports and arts and work on the social and emotional aspects. Please feel free to stop by. Welcome.
Good day. My name is Alila Richardson. I'm the paraeducator in P2 class. I enjoy working at Northlands Primary School and assisting the students.
My name is Kelly Smith. I teach P2, and at Northlands, nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I'm possible.
Can anyone give me a contraction? What you got, Tawadra?
Can't.
Can't. Artie, give me another one.
You.
You, good job. Sophia?
Shallon,
Shallon.
Shan,
Shant.
I.
Sabella?
Shill,
Sheil. Tawadra?
Didn't.
Didn't. Yes, sir. Won't. Good job, Kyle.
weave.
Weave. Hello, my name is Candice Matthew, and I currently teach P3 here at Northlands Primary.
Hi, I'm Donna Hill. I'm Mrs. Matthews Para.
Here at Northlands, we make learning fun.
Hello, I'm Angela Mingbin, the art teacher at Northlands Primary. Northlands is a wonderful place to teach and learn.
My name is Terry Henry, and I am the music teacher here at Northlands Primary. Northlands Primary is unmatched in the area of the arts. From our award-winning choir, our incredible school bands, our liturgical dancers, our dramatic film productions, and our very own recording studio, where just this Christmas we released a single that frequently played on the radio called Christmas Time, and where we were able to produce an original film called The Time Machine, which aired frequently on television over the Christmas holidays.
Excuse me, ma'am. No, my name is Mateo, and I'm on a journey back in time. Excuse me, ma'am. Adam! No, my name is Mateo, and I'm on a journey back in time.
If you are looking for a school to nurture your child's talents, then Northlands is definitely the right school for you.
Hi, my name is Beverly Can. I'm the reading teacher at Northlands Primary School, where we aim to nurture and educate your child so they reach their fullest potential.
I can see the apple.
Yes. Let's look at our picture. What do we see here? As you see on the bottom, it says Moosling Series. Series just means that there are many more books about this character. We are going to take a picture walk through this book before we begin.
Good evening, parents. My name is Tanae Glasswood, and I am the Upper School Learning Support Teacher here at Northlands Primary School.
Good evening, parents. My name is Gina Evans. I am the Lower Learning Support Teacher and the Deputy Principal here at Northlands Primary School, and we are truly blessed to be a part of a staff who is caring and are committed to developing the whole child.
Good evening. My name is Denise Hill, and I teach Primary 4, STEAM, and I am also the Literacy Team Leader.
Good evening. My name is Kimberly Mensa, and I am a paraeducator for a visually impaired young lady in Primary 4, Hill.
I'm sure you know, this school is the best.
So fables were written with the children in mind. Can you tell me why, Haley?
Because children needed to learn to, like, let's say the fox and the crow, you should not trust people that try to flatter you. So children can learn, like, some lessons not to do.
Right.
What to do.
In a fun way, right? No one wants to hear about a story of an adult trying to flatter someone. It is not entertaining to children. So fables were written to entertain who? Cash, who did you say?
Children.
Okay. Fables were written to entertain children.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Miss Granado, and I'm the Primary 5 teacher at Northlands Primary. At Northlands Primary, we are a school that is a family, and we welcome you with open arms. Can't wait to see you.
12 times 12. I'll make it easy for you. 12 times 13. 156. How do you get 156, Carlina?
Because we did it.
Oh, can somebody else tell me how you'll get 12 times 13 if 12 times 12 is 144?
Because you just add
Yeah. Should I give it a point?
Yeah.
The girls can get the next point anyway, aren't you girls?
Hello, my name is Mr. Douglas. I'm working with teacher Holdup, Mr. Holdup, in his class in P5. I'm an educational therapist assistant, and I'm assisting with behaviors in the class.
Well, hello, I'm Rupert Holdup, Primary 5, working tag team with Mr. Douglas. We are privileged because we get to work with the angels, P5 Holdup angels every day, and we come to school to learn.
Okay. Do we have any advice for Mimi?
Yes.
Elliot, what would we tell Mimi?
Instead of drawing all 27 dots, you could have just done your 4 times tables.
Could have did your 4 times tables.
And that's 7. So you put the 7 right there. And then you put 2 remainders. And then you can count to 4. 4 goes into 20, so you can count to your 4 times tables until you get to 20. 4, 12, 16, 20. That's just 5. So it's 0.75.
So, do we agree with that? Yes. So, on your whiteboard now, I'm going to give you a fraction, and I want to see if you can turn that fraction into a decimal. Good day, my name is Tanika White. I'm the P6 teacher at Northlands Primary and the social studies teacher leader. I come to school every day excited about my job. This is actually my dream job. It's something I always wanted to do, to shape young minds and mold them to become our future leaders. Okay, using your bodies, you're going to make an array for 8 units. So your body's 8 of you. So I want you to make an array using the number sentence 4 times 2 equals 8. Make an array. Okay, is that a rectangular array?
Yes.
Okay, what's the 4 represent?
Rows. 4 rows.
4 rows, okay, so there's my 4 rows. Okay, and then what does the 2 represent?
Columns.
2 columns. So our columns are going this way. So there's 1 column, and then there's my second column, and there's my rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, 2 columns. So that's my number center. 4 times 2 equals 8. Using an array with your bodies instead of using an object like you did in remote learning. My name is Paula Daniels, and I teach P6 or Primary 6. I love teaching at Northlands because it's my family away from home.
My name is Takira Holland-Mello, and I work here in P6 Daniels class, and this is the best primary school on the island.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Lakeisha Bean. I am the school counselor here at Northlands Primary School. I just love Northlands Primary because they are all about building a positive, healthy, restorative climate and community for our children and of course their families.
Stacy Barab, and I teach physical education and health. And I truly enjoy teaching these Northland students because they come with the creativity and definitely show the skills throughout the year.
Quincy Aberdeen, I teach health and PE, and I'm enjoying teaching at Northlands because I'm enjoying teaching life through sport.
Hello, I am the educational therapist, Ms. Hoyt, and the best thing about Northlands, I think, is the sense of community the staff bring here and how they try to make sure that the students feel at home and as though this is their family.
My name is Tracy Richardson, and I am the administrative assistant here at Northlands Primary School, and we want to welcome you here. It's a great place to be.
My name is Keith Smith. I'm the custodian here at Northlands Primary School, and I'm here to keep the school clean for your children.
My name is Edward Tucker, and I'm a custodian at Northlands Primary. And the thing I like about this school is that people come together and be as one.
As a parent, your choice of a school will come as a result of careful, thoughtful planning. If you have found that Northlands is a good fit for your child, I'll see you in September.